Hello friends, welcome to the channel Swag Technique, and today I will show you how to increase your PC RAM instantly by using a pen drive. Okay, so the recommended pen drive should be 4GB or 8GB. So I'm gonna use a 8GB pen drive. Now plug your pen drive and make sure that your pen drive is formatted. If not, then format it. After complete the formatting process, right click on your pen drive and go to the properties, and then go to the ready boost option. Click on use this device. Here you can see maximum 4GB storage we can use, so let it be. Then apply, then OK. Here you can see it takes 4GB storage of your pen drive. Now open your pen drive and you can see here the ready boost cache file. Yes, that is the ready boost cache file which takes place of 4GB of your pen drive. And now you can use heavy software which needs more RAMs, so you can use this process. And guys, you can't eject your pen drive normal way because it might be harmful for your PC. So I'm just giving it a trial. Just right click on your pen drive, then eject. There is a notification popped up which is removal disk is currently in use. So don't do anything and just click on the cancel button and go to the properties of go to the pen drive properties, and then go to ready boost option. Then click on the do not use this device and apply. Then click on OK. And you can see here there is no file. So now you can eject your pen drive. And if this video is useful to you, then hit the like button and share this video to your friends, family and relatives, and subscribe this channel for more videos.